Hello everyone, my name is Wally, and today me and my colleagues Min, J. Alexander, and Noel will look at the use of the HPING tool. The HPING tool is used extensively in ethical hacking. HPING is a TCP/IP packet assembler and analyzer. In this example, we will deploy HPING to create packets as well as perform different network functions with the packets. Our overall objective is to first use HPING as an ICMP utility. Secondly, we will use HPING for port scanning. Here is the pod topology. We're going to log into Kali Linux with the username root and the password name Tor. With HPING, a packet can be crafted with a specific protocol. Here, we're going to be using it with ICMP. We'll go to the terminal on the left side. Once we find the terminal icon, we click it through. At the Linux prompt, we start using HPING. Now we type in HPING 3-1 192.168.68.12. And after about 7 packets are transmitted, we'll hit Control-C to stop it from running. We notice that there are several ICMP messages. The default is ICMP type 0, echo, it received a reply. Next, we'll try a different one. We'll try ICMP type 13. And here we do it again. We'll try HPING 3 once we get to the prompt. HPING 3-C-1 -V -C13 192.168.68.12. Here we're going to execute it. Oh, try that one more time. And we notice the retrieval of the timestamping confirming the target is there. Next, we'll enter a command to use HPING with the trace route function inside of ICMP. Here we'll type in HPING 3-C-5-T-1-V 192.168.68.12. And here we'll see the trace route messages being displayed by HPING. As you can see from the output window, HPING can be used to analyze the hops the packets went through from the source IP to the destination IP.
Okay, so now we're going to learn how to use HPING for port sorting. So the first thing we're going to do is a TCP dump. So type in TCP dump space -I space ETH0 and hit enter. Then give it some time for the command to run. Now that it's finished, we're going to open a new terminal, and then we're going to run the exact same command again. So type in TCP dump space -I space ETH0, return. Now we're going to switch back to the original terminal window, and we're going to type in HPING 3 space dash capital S space dash C space 1 space dash S space 5151 space dash P space 80 space dash capital V space 192.168.68.12 and hit enter. Once that command is complete, you can see on the other terminal window that both the sign flag and the reset flags have changed.
Now we're going to change the focus to the other terminal window and try the same scan against the firewall by entering the command below. Lowercase HPING3, tag uppercase S, tag lowercase c, 1, tag lowercase s, 5151, tag lowercase p, 80, tag uppercase v, 192.168.9.1. And we can notice that the SYN flag was sent, identified by the uppercase S, and a reset flag was received, identified by the uppercase R in the background terminal. Now that was just done using port 80, and now we're going to try doing a different port, SSH port 22. And to make that happen, we're going to enter the command pretty much identical to the previous one, except we're going to replace the 80 with a 22. And you can notice once we run that command, we see a 100% packet loss notification, and that's due to port 22 being closed on the firewall. So in order to identify which ports are open, we can initiate a port scan against the firewall and giving it and that's due to port 22 being closed on the firewall. So in order to identify which ports are open, we can initiate a port scan against the firewall and giving it a defined range. We can do this by entering the following command: HPING3, tag uppercase S, tag 8, 20, tag 80, tag lowercase c, 1, tag lowercase s, 5151, tag uppercase v, 192.168.9.1. Based on these results, we can see that ports 53 and 80 are currently open.
You can see how HPING can be used to scan a range of ports in a system, thus assisting you in the evaluation of security vulnerabilities. Based on the open and closed ports of the system, you can do further analysis and make recommendations and next actions. Well, so that concludes our exploration of HPING and its usage in ethical hacking. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.